Hey, welcome to the parts of a train quiz. Can you name them all? Let's find out. What do we call the very last car of a train? That's the caboose. What do we call the front part of the train that pulls all the cars? That's the locomotive or engine part. What part connects one train car to another? That's a coupler. Where does the train run? On the tracks or railway. If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun quizzes every day. Now, here's your final question. What part of the train carries goods or cargo? Freight cars or wagons? Great job. Thanks for playing the parts of a train quiz. See you in the next quiz.